Wondering how to get your transcript evaluated for US schools? Watch this video. In this video, I will show you the exact steps you need to get your transcript evaluated by ECE. Open a browser and let's go. Type ece.org, select login/order report, create an account if you don't have one or login if you do. Let's create an account. Who do you represent? Select individual. Let's do it. Enter your first name, your middle name, your last name, your email, re-enter your email, your password, re-enter your password. How did you hear about ECE? Why did you choose ECE? Do you want to get promotional email? Select I am not a robot. Let's do it. Email verification is needed. Click on the link in your email to verify your account. I got the email, I will activate my account. Account verified. Let's log in. So we are going to do US evaluation report for applying to US institution. Here your name is already entered and your middle name if you added one. Ensure your names are spelled correctly. Enter your date of birth. Enter how many copies of your report you want. Select one. It's required that you get one copy. Enter your mailing address where you want your ECE report to be sent. This can be your local post office or home if you get mail at your home. Depending on your country, enter the required information. Enter your address. Ensure your address is correct. And mail can be delivered to your address so you can get your report. You won't use this for your application. This is just your copy. Select if you have a US, Canada or international phone number and enter it as in the example shown. For your delivery method, USPS priority is reliable at $15, but it is not ideal for document return. If delivery fails, it likely won't be returned back to ECE. The other methods work, but the prices are different. Now it's time to enter the institutions that will receive your ECE report. You can skip this part for now. This can be done later after the report is completed. You want to only send your report to schools you have applied to. However, if you want to add your school now, search for your school and select your school from the list. Confirm it's the correct school, then select the delivery method ECE should use to send the report to the school and save delivery. If you want to add another school, follow the same steps. Some schools offer electronic delivery options. Note that there is an additional $30 fee per report for each school. You should be able to find every school from the list, even smaller schools. You will see all the schools you have added to receive ECE reports listed. I won't be adding any schools, so I will delete them. Then continue with my application. From here, select further education. Then select freshman as a first-time college student or undergraduate or transfer if you're a first-time college student or transfer student. Enter what you want to study in college here. Let's do it. Then continue. Here you will select your type of report. The type of report we want to do is course by course report for $195. This is best for the purpose of further education. It will give you a US equivalent grade of your courses and a GPA. Click continue. Here you will enter your educational history. You will select the country where you attended the school you want evaluation for. Enter the school name, that's your institution name. Enter the city in which it's located. Select if you graduated or not. Enter your date of attendance, when you started, the month and year, and when you graduated, the month and year. Enter the name of your degree or diploma. I will enter high school diploma. If yours is not in English, you can translate it and put the name in English here. Does your name appear differently in your educational documents? Yes or no? I selected no, but if your name changed, you will select yes. If you selected yes, you will just need to add the name that appear on your educational documents here. You must submit documents for all credentials you wish to have evaluated. select yes, I want this credential to be evaluated. Then save education history. You will see it appear on the right. If you want to add more educational history, you can do so. However, you only need to add the high school where you did your senior exam and graduated from. So this video is intended for those looking to do college, so we are evaluating high school credentials. If you did more education after high school that is not college, that credential is not required. If you are looking to do masters and have a bachelor's degree, you would enter your college credentials here. Click continue. Based on your country that you selected earlier, it will show you the required documentation you need for your transcript evaluation. I am from Jamaica, so they showed me what I need for Jamaica. In my case, I only need my CXE result or City and Guilds as another external exam. You can also evaluate your CAPE as well, but it's not encouraged on the same report if you're from the Caribbean. This is because CAPE will be evaluated as college credits, which will disqualify you from getting first-time freshman scholarships. If you did not do CXE or wish not to have your CXE evaluated, you will need to submit your diploma showing you have graduated and your high school transcript showing your grades and show that you have graduated. Here, we'll give you detailed instructions of what you need to do. After you complete the application, you will get an ECE reference number and document matching form. The instructions tell you how to get your required documents to ECE. So there are two ways to do this. One, do it yourself. You can send your original exam results to ECE in an envelope and your official sealed high school transcript in that same envelope as well. And the document matching form, you add that in the envelope too. Mail the envelope to ECE, mailing address listed here. Don't worry, you will get your original results back. The second way is have your school email your official transcript to ECE. They will include your reference number in the email. Also have your examining board that administered your exam send a copy of your result to ECE. Depending on how their services are offered, you can request it online or go to their physical location and request they send a copy of your transcript or results to ECE mailing address. For Jamaicans, CXE have this process online and it can be done from a local office in places like Kingston, Jamaica. Would you like to add an optional rush service? Click no. However, if you are in a rush, it's $80 extra for this service to have your evaluation ready in 5 days. From here, you are going to confirm all your information is correct. It will be $240 based on the services we have selected so far. Select continue and read the customer agreement. Select that you understand. Enter your full name for your signature, select sign and submit. Now it's time to make a payment. If you have a coupon, enter it here. You can pay with credit card or check. I will select credit card. Enter the details for the person who owned the card, the address on the card number, the security code, expiration month and year. While I won't be making a payment today, I will show you example of the completed report and the document matching form. I will exclude some information for privacy. This student only evaluated their CXC result. They are currently in the US on scholarship attending college. This student evaluated both their high school transcript and their high school CXC. They have a lower grade in their high school transcript but a higher grade in their CXC result, and they're currently here on scholarship in the US. This student is also here in the US on scholarship. They evaluated only their CXC results. The difference with this report is that this student redid one of the exam that they did not get a good grade in, and they re-evaluated her transcript and updated her GPA. So you can see initially her GPA was 3.56, but after it changed to 3.75 because she redid a course she had a D in and got a C, where you see beside that English course you can see she redid that course, and so her GPA was increased to 3.75, and with that 3.75 she was able to get a scholarship to study in the US. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, Please subscribe and thumbs up this video for more tips on studying abroad. If you have any questions or want to hear more about a specific topic, drop a comment below and I will cover it in future videos. If you need more hands-on help with your ECE report, let me know via the email I used in this video to create my ECE report, and I will assist you. Until next time, stay blessed and keep pursuing your dreams.